Chapter 1, Section 2 is about geographic regions of Georgia. The essential question is, how would you describe the geographic regions of Georgia? The regions that you need to know are the Appalachian Plateau region, Ridge and Valley, Blue Ridge, Piedmont, and the Coastal Plain region. You'll also learn about the Okefenokee Swamp and Fall Line. Georgia's smallest region is the Appalachian Plateau. It is made up of limestone caves, deep canyons, and rock formations. The Cumberland Plateau is also located here, and the soil is made up of limestone, shale, and sandstone. The Ridge and Valley region is made up of low open valleys parallel to narrow ridges. Forests and pastures dominate this region, and the limestone and clay soils are in the valley, and shale and sandstone are in the ridges. Cedartown is located in the Ridge and Valley region as well. Excuse me. The Blue Ridge region is in the northeastern part of the state, and it contains the state's highest and largest group of mountains. Brasstown Ball, which is Georgia's highest peak in the state, is located in this region as well. The soil is made up of sandy loam and clay, and hardwood forests, vegetable farming, and apples are very popular in the Blue Ridge region. The Piedmont Plateau is the most populated region. Atlanta is located here, and again, it's the most populated region, with most of the state of Georgia living in the Piedmont Plateau. It begins in the mountain foothills and goes to the state's central part. Its gently sloping hills are in the north and the flatlands in the south. And hardwood timber, pine, and agriculture are located in this area. And Georgia is famous for its red clay, which can also be found in the Piedmont. The Piedmont borders the Coastal Plain region, which is the largest region. The inner coastal plain is good for underground water supply and is the state's major agricultural region. The outer coastal plain is rich soil for peanuts, pecans, corn, and pulp production. Brunswick is popular for pulp production. Also, the low-lying freshwater wetlands. The Okefenokee Swamp is located in the Coastal Plain region. It is 681 square miles and is located south of Waycross. It's the largest swamp in North America, and it is a freshwater wetland. The Barrier Islands are also located in the Coastal Plain. It protects the beaches by blocking sand, winds, and water that could erode the mainland. A lot of recreation is done here, and a lot of the seafood for Georgia is located and comes from the Barrier Islands. Also, the deep water ports are here in this area for shipping, which you have Brunswick, you have Savannah, and then you also have some inland barge terminals as well. Then you have the Fall Line, which is where the Piedmont and the coastal regions come together, and it's where the hilly or mountainous lands meet the coastal plain, which would be hilly or mountainous would be the Piedmont, and then the coastal plain. It runs from Columbus through Macon all the way to Augusta, and many waterfalls are located along the Fall Line, and the Fall Line provides a power source for several of Georgia communities. Many things have been discussed in this podcast. Please make sure to review the slides and this podcast, because you will be using this information to do some projects in this chapter.